Good morning. Happy Wednesday. It's math time again. We are going to revisit a topic that we talked about earlier this year, and it's money, the topic of money. So, you're going to be given a task today to look at coins and tell the value of the coins. So, behind us, I have drawn some things to represent penny, nickel, dime, and quarter. We know that there are different colors of coins. The penny is the most different color. Okay, it's a brownish, kind of orange, copper colored. Okay, so there's my penny. We have nickel, which is a little bit bigger than a penny, and silver. And then we have a dime, and the dime is smaller than the nickel in size. The value of it is bigger. And the dime is also, it's a little bit smaller. Yep, it's a little bit smaller than the penny also, but it's also silver. And then the last coin that we're going to be looking at is a quarter, and that's the biggest. Okay, it's also the largest in value as well, and it's silver. So up here on my board, I drew a penny, and I used a brown to color in my penny. Okay, and I wrote penny underneath it, and I wrote the value of a penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. Okay, the nickel, I outlined it in blue so I could see it, but I colored it in gray to represent my silver. And I wrote nickel, and the nickel is worth 5 cents. And then I did the same for dime. I made my dime a little bit smaller than my nickel, right? I wrote the word dime underneath it, and a dime is worth 10 cents. And then over here for quarter, I drew the quarter a little bit bigger. I colored it in gray or silver, just like the dime and the nickel. I wrote the word quarter underneath it, and a quarter is worth 25 cents, okay? And this sign, because you can't see it very well on there, but the cents symbol looks like this. I'm going to do it at the top of my board so you can see it. The cent sign is like a C, and then a line goes down through it. All right, and that's how we write cents when we're talking about money, okay? So once I've done that, you're going to do this. All of this, you should do this in your math journal. I did it up here big on the board so that we could all see it. And you are going to understand that the values of each coin. And then you're going to answer a question that's very similar to the question that I have up here, okay? So here's my question that I'm going to do with you. What is the value of a dime in pennies? Okay, think about that. What's the value of a dime in pennies? So how many pennies would it take to equal 1 dime? Well, I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to look. All right, there's a penny. A penny is worth 1 cent, okay? A dime is worth 10 cents. Let's think for a minute. How many pennies would I need to make 10 cents? Well, you know what? 10 of them. Because if a penny's worth 1 cent, okay, 1 cent, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pennies equals 10 cents if they're worth 1 cent each, okay? So it would take 10 of these pennies, and I've got them stacked up here. It would take 10 of these pennies to equal the value of 1 dime. So I can now answer this question, right? So what is the value of a dime in pennies? A dime is equal to the value of 10 pennies. Okay, so I'm able to answer that. Here is your task today. You're going to be given that same question, but I want you to answer it for nickels. Okay, so think about this. This is the question that's in your math packet. You will find this question posted. I'm also going to have it up here, of course, on my board. And you're going to do this work in your journal, and I look forward to seeing what your answers are, okay? So this is the question posed to you for you to do in your math journal today. What is the value of a nickel in pennies? A nickel is equal to the value of blank pennies. All right. Have fun with this task, guys. Draw out your coins up there. Also, you know what? If you've got find coins around your house, just like I did, and I had my coins that I could actually count out and use. Okay, so have fun time with this, guys. Have a great day. Bye.